Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the date and time on Samsung Galaxy. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down the settings to General Management and tap it to open it. In General Management, tap on Date and Time. Tap on Automatic Date and Time to turn the toggle off. You want the toggle to be grey. Then tap on Automatic Time Zone to switch that toggle off too. Now tap Set Date. Tap on the month and year at the top to change it. Then tap Done when you are done. Now tap Set Time and change the time to what you would like and tap Done. Your phone's date and time have now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung Galaxy tips and tricks.